Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enter the developer mode in Android. So enabling developer mode or developer options on an Android device will give you access to advanced features, tools, and settings typically hidden from regular users. So through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to enter the developer mode. So what you need to do is just locate and open the settings app on your Android device. And in here, you can just scroll down and find the About Phone section. Okay, just scroll down and tap on this About Phone. And this might also be labeled as About Device or located under System About Phone on some devices. Tap on About Phone. And you can just locate the build number. So in the About Phone section, you can find it you can look for the build number. It might also be under software informations, like on my phones in here, and you can see build number. So you can just tap the build number repeatedly, usually 7 times, until you see a message like this: you are now a developer, or developer mode has been enabled. So just click it again. You can see at the bottom, you are now 2 steps away from being a developer. Okay, so in here on my phone, I need to enter my PIN before continue. Let's click on enter. And now I am a developer. So what you need to do is, once the developer mode is enabled, you can just go back to the settings main menu and look for the developer options, and it's usually found under system, additional settings, or directly in the main settings menu. So in my case, it can be found under the system menu. In here at the bottom, there will be this developer options. Click on it. So under developer options, you can find tools like USB debugging, mock location, stay awake, or keep screen on while charging, and also limit background processes and more. So this is optional. You can also disable the developer option. So if you no longer need developer mode, you can just tap on this, or you can just go to the settings here and developer options, toggle the switch at the top to disable it. So the developer option menu will remain, but the settings won't be active unless you re-enable it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.